Example 5, part A. Pay attention, we have three rules here: a power 3 minus b power 3 and a power 3 plus b power 3, a square minus b square, and we will use them throughout solving. This is difference between two cubes, sum of two cubes, and difference between two squares. So now we'll start with part A. To solve part A, have to write limit. You can replace x power 4 minus 1 by x to the power 4 minus 1. We can write it as x square minus 1 square. Then you can use difference between two squares, a square minus b square. So it will be x square minus 1 times x square plus 1. Then you can use again the difference between two square rules to factor x square minus 1, and you have to rewrite 1 as 1 square. It will be x plus 1 times x minus 1 multiplied by x square plus 1. So this is the factorization of x power 4 minus 1. Write it here: x plus 1 multiplied by x minus 1 multiplied by x square plus 1, divide by x minus 1 when x goes to 1 from right. Then you have to cancel x minus 1 with x minus 1 and replace 1 here. This is 1 from right, so you have to replace 1, that's it. 1 plus 1 times 1 square plus 1 divided by 1. So 1 plus 1 equals 2, and 1 plus 1 equals 2. We have 2 times 2, which is equals to 4. For the second question, part B, we have t power 3 plus 8. So you have to use sum of two cubes, which is the second one. So t to the power 3 plus 8, you have to write it firstly as t power 3 plus 2 to the power 3. So if you compare this one by the rule, a equals t and b equals to 2, equals t plus 2 multiplied by t square minus 2t plus b square, which is 2 square, 4. So this is the factorization of t power 3 plus 8. So our limit equal limit t plus 2 multiplied by t square minus 2t plus 4 divided by t plus 2 when t goes to negative 2. Then you have to cancel the common between numerator and denominator, and you have to replace negative 2. So we have negative 2 square minus 2 times negative 2 plus 4, which is equals 4 minus 2 times minus 2 equals plus 4 plus 4, and the final answer is 12. The third one, part C, we have limit y minus 6 over y square minus 36 when y goes to 6. So you have to use this rule for denominator a square minus b square for y square minus 36. So y square minus 36 equals y square minus 36. You can write it as 6 square, and by using this rule you will get y minus 6 multiplied by y plus 6. So the limit equals to limit y minus 6 divided by y minus 6 times y plus 6 when y goes to 6. By eliminating the common factors you have up and down and replace y by 6, you will get 1 divided by, because here we don't have anything in numerator, we eliminate the factors, 1 over 6 plus 6 equals 1 over 12. Part D, you have to factor a numerator and denominator. A numerator is difference between two cubes, and denominator is difference between two squares. So for a numerator, we have a to the power 3 minus 64. You can write it as a to the power 3 minus 4 to the power 3, and you have to use this, the first rule here, a power 3 minus b power 3, because we have a power 3 minus 64. By applying the first rule, you will get a minus b times a square plus ab, which is 4 times a, plus b square, which is 4 square, equals to 16. This is the factorization of numerator. Then we will go next to factorize the denominator, and denominator is a square minus 16, and you can write 16 as a square minus 4 square, and by applying this rule you will get a minus b, so a minus 4 multiplied by a plus 4. By replacing the factorization for numerator and denominator, you will get limit a minus 4 multiplied by a square plus 4a plus 16 divided by a minus 4 times a plus 4 when a goes to 4. By cancellation, a minus 4 with a minus 4, and by replace a by its value, which 4, this is equals to 4 square plus 4 times 4 plus 16 divided by 4 plus 4. So 16 plus 16 plus 16, which is 16 times 3, 48, divided by 4 plus 4, which is 8, and this is equals to 6.